We are in broad-based to stay. We are in broad-based to move forward to 2027 and beyond. So our broad-based arrangement is not ending in 2027. And we are not just saying that. We are saying that because Ruto's government, today our stadium is being built from scratch. Today we have 6 affordable housing projects in this constituency. Today, we have Mamboleo, Muhoroni Road going on. Today, we have roads in Kisumu West being built, roads in Seme being built, roads in Muhoroni being built. All these projects were started by the dreamer, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. There's no way somebody else is going to come to finish those projects. For that reason, I'm requesting our people to remain in broad-based until 2027 and
naomba kwa hisani yako hapo ni bottom up, si ndio? Huyu na mimi niko pamoja in the one nation shared prosperity. Wacha hiyo ingine, sisi tunasimama hapo kusema kwamba tutaendelea na President Ruto. Alienda huko Wajir juzi, alisema watu wa Northern are marginalized. Sisi tunamwambia watu wa PS, hata sisi watu wa Kisumu we have been marginalized because we are in opposition. Sasa Ruto amekuja hii miaka 3, nimepata hii nyumba kubwa, nimepata barabara, nimepata kitu. Kwa hivyo we as leaders, and he is a leader and I'm a leader, wacha tufanye kazi yako na siku ya 2027 utaamua. There's no problem. I don't hate him, he doesn't hate me. We don't care.